So today I'll show you about the essential Excel formulas every creator needs, from sum to average, max, and min. These formulas will save you time, make your workflow smoother, and help you organize your data faster. So let's get started. First, let's start by entering our numbers in column B. Type them in, one per row, just like this: 16, 25, 72, 44, 66, 82, 71, 22, and 91. Now, these numbers could represent anything: daily sales, number of tasks finished, points, scores, or results, or even content metrics like views, likes, or engagement. You can apply the same formulas to much larger data sets, thousands of rows if needed. Now, let's say we want to find the total of these numbers. So to do this, go to any empty cell and type equals sum, open a parenthesis, then highlight all the numbers you want to include. Close the parenthesis and press enter. This is what we call the auto-sum feature, one of the fastest way to add large amounts of data with a single formula. You can also do it manually like this: equals sum, open parenthesis, 16, comma, 25, comma, 72, and close the parenthesis. Excel will immediately add everything inside the parenthesis. This is useful when you only want to add specific numbers, you don't want to place values in separate cells, or when you're quickly testing calculations. Sum is one of the most important formulas in Excel because almost all data reports require totals, whether you're tracking finances, inventory, time duration, or performance metrics. Next, let's find the average of the numbers in column B. Type equals average and open a parenthesis. Then, select all 8 numbers, close the parenthesis, then press enter. Just like with sum, you can also manually type equals average, open parenthesis, 16, comma, 25, comma, 72, then close the parenthesis. This is so helpful when you want quick average comparisons. This formula is perfect for finding the average number of sales per day, average performance score, average view count across posts, average expenses. The best thing about average is that Excel automatically ignores empty cells, so you don't have to worry about blank rows affecting your results. Next, we have the max function. This identifies the highest value in the list. So you need to type in equals max, then open a parenthesis. Then select the numbers you want to include. Or you can enter them manually like this: equals max, open parentheses, 16, comma, 25, comma, and 72. Then close the parenthesis. Then press enter and Excel shows the largest number. Max is extremely useful when analyzing peak sales for the month, highest score, maximum numbers of viewers or clicks, and which day performed best. This helps you quickly identify trends, knowing what works and what performs better. And the next formula is min, which means finding the lowest number in the group. So you need to type in equals min, then open the parenthesis, then choose the numbers. Or you can manually enter them like before. So equals min, open parenthesis, 16, comma, 25, comma, 72, and close the parenthesis. Then press enter to get the smallest value. This formula helps you find the lowest sales day, the weakest performance, minimum cost, or your lowest recorded metric. Using min and max together gives you a full picture of your data from the lowest point to the highest point. So, let's quickly recap everything we covered. You started by entering numbers in column B, then you used sum to add everything quickly, whether through selecting cells or manually entering values. After that, we used average to calculate the typical value from the group of numbers. Something every creator and analyst needs to measure performance and consistency. Then, we explored max, which helped us identify the highest number or the best performing result. And finally, we learned min, which shows the lowest number, great for spotting weak points or low performance day. Each of these formulas is simple, but together, they form the foundation of almost every analysis in Excel. Whether you're a creator, student, office worker, freelancer, or business owner, mastering these basics gives you the power to understand your data clearly and confidentially. And that's it. Those are the essentials Excel formulas every creator needs. If you keep practicing these functions, you'll notice how much faster and easier your workflow becomes. You'll be able to track your progress, analyze performance, and manage your numbers with confidence, even if you're handling large data files. Make sure to check out the next tutorials, where we explore more powerful Excel tools, including shortcuts, automation formulas, and creator-friendly features that can help you organize, calculate, and visualize your work even more efficiently. But before you click away, I want to remind you something important. Mastering Excel doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey. And every formula you learn today becomes a skill you can use tomorrow. So take your time with these basics, play around with different numbers, experiment with different functions, and try applying these formulas to real situations like budgeting, content performance tracking, or even personal planning. As you continue, you'll start to see patterns like which metrics matter the most, what values fluctuate, and where improvements can be made. This is where Excel becomes more than just a spreadsheet. It becomes a tool for clarity, decision making, and growth. And the best part here is, once you understand sum, average, max, and min, you are already building the foundation for more advanced skills like conditional formulas, lookups, pivot tables, and automation. Each video will stack on top of what you just learned today. So stay curious, keep practicing, and don't worry. If something feels confusing at first, every expert started with basics, just like this. Thank you again for being here. Thank you for learning with me. And I can't wait to guide you through more Excel tools and tricks that will make your workflow smarter, smoother, and a whole lot easier. That's my full breakdown for today, so see you on the next tutorial.